Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Infiniti G37 key fob. Start by gathering the mechanical key, the key fob, and ensuring the car battery is healthy. We will use a sequence of door and ignition steps to enter programming mode. Follow my timing cues for opening the driver door, turning the ignition on and off, and pressing the lock button on the fob. I will guide you slowly so you can complete each step confidently. We will walk through the exact sequence to program the fob in plain language so it is easy to follow. I will tell you when to open the door, when to turn the ignition, and when to press the lock button on the fob. If the car beeps or flashers respond, that confirms pairing. If pairing fails, I will offer a simple retry method and common troubleshooting tips to try next. Sometimes programming doesn't work on the first try, and that's okay. We'll cover common fixes in a reassuring way. I recommend checking the fob battery, verifying compatibility, and ensuring you follow the timing exactly during ignition cycles. I will describe a simple retry loop and signs that indicate a hardware problem versus a procedural error. If those steps do not help, I will tell you when to seek professional programming assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.